If you don't have the LDAC option in Bluetooth device settings on your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, the reason why you don't have it is most likely due to a third-party app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So if you did install an app, you want to go to settings of your Bluetooth device, inside that app that is, and then in here you should be able to try to find something that is related to the sound quality. And in there, if you have the choice between the sound quality or connection quality, you want to make sure that the sound quality is the priority. So in here, I had the connection quality selected, and if I switch to sound quality over here and go back to Bluetooth device settings, you will see that now I do have LDAC option. So this is what you can do. Of course, these apps look slightly different for pretty much every brand, at least, for every manufacturer of Bluetooth devices. But essentially, you just want to go through settings and look for sound quality settings if possible. Sometimes there's also just a dedicated LDAC option inside the app settings, so be sure to check that out as well if you don't find anything that is related to the sound quality. Leave a like and subscribe.